In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit GoDaddy website code in just 5 minutes. Editing the code of your GoDaddy website might sound like a daunting task at first, especially if you're not familiar with HTML or web development. However, with GoDaddy's user-friendly interface, this process is surprisingly simple and straightforward. Whether you're looking to make some minor tweaks, or you're aiming to inject custom HTML for a more personalized web experience, I'll walk you through every step of the way. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to access your GoDaddy account. Start by clicking on the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the GoDaddy homepage. From there, a sign-in page will appear prompting you to enter your username and password. Make sure to enter your credentials carefully to avoid any access issues. Once your details are filled in, click on the Sign In button to proceed. Once you're logged in, your dashboard or control panel should be visible. This is where all your GoDaddy services and website settings are managed. From here, you'll want to navigate to the website you wish to edit. Look for the website section or a specific name you've given your site within your dashboard. This might require a bit of scrolling or navigating through tabs, but it's fairly straightforward. After finding your website on the dashboard, it's time to start the editing process. Click on the Edit Website option. This button will lead you directly to the website builder, where all the magic happens. GoDaddy's website builder is designed to be intuitive, offering a visual interface that makes website editing feel like a breeze, even for beginners. Now we're getting to the core part, adding custom code to your website. Within the website builder environment, look for an option or button labeled Add Section. This is your gateway to inserting various types of content into your site, including custom HTML code, which is exactly what we're aiming to do here. Once you've clicked on Add Section, a new menu or panel will open up showcasing different types of sections you can add to your website. In this panel, navigate to and click on Files and Web. This category allows you to add sections that deal with external files, links, and yes, custom code. It's designed for users who wish to enhance their websites with external resources or custom scripting. After selecting Files and Web, a new subset of options will appear. Among these options, you'll spot one specifically labeled HTML. This is where you can add pure HTML code directly to your GoDaddy website. Clicking on HTML will lead you to a configuration screen where you can define how this HTML section will appear and function within your site. Eager to see your custom code in action? The next step is to click on Add. This button confirms your intention to insert an HTML section onto your web page. It might prompt you to an editing interface where you can type or paste your custom HTML code. This is your chance to bring your unique touch to your website, whether it's embedding a widget, adding a custom form, or any other HTML-based feature you desire. Remember, adding custom code to your website offers a world of possibilities, but it's also important to proceed with caution. Incorrect code or syntax errors can affect how your site performs or displays. Before finalizing any changes, take a moment to review your code for accuracy and functionality. Most importantly, don't forget to save your work. With GoDaddy's intuitive platform, any changes you make can be previewed in real time, offering you peace of mind before making your customizations live to your audience. And there you have it. You've just learned how to edit GoDaddy website code in 5 minutes. Simple, right? By following these steps, you can unlock a whole new level of customization for your website, allowing it to better serve your needs and express your unique brand or personal style. As always, practice makes perfect. Feel free to experiment with adding different types of HTML sections and observe how they enhance your website's functionality and aesthetics. Remember, every great website is a work in progress, and now you have one more tool in your toolkit to make yours stand out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it empowers you to take full control of your GoDaddy website and truly make it your own. Happy coding!